Oranjestad, the capital city of Aruba, and it's only 4 kilometers away from our hotel, from the Eagle Beach. And first impression, it's so modern here. There's a lot of luxurious shopping, and it seems like everything is modern here. Buildings, shops. And now we are currently looking for a breakfast place. Oh, that looks nice though. We ended up here at Starbucks because they have a nice view here, marina view. And what will be our agenda for today?
Exploring the city.
And then we will go to the beach in Eagles Beach nearby our hotel. And yeah.
At night I see you across the bar, you appear to me. Spotlights right on you. Disco ball lit victory. Maybe fate was on the right page. Bit of magic right in my face. Is it love struck or just frightening? Is it all meant to be a mystery?
Here at the main street, and look what I've just found. There's a Pinoy Filipino restaurant here. So it's Kambal Kusina. So cute. There must be a tram here or something because I can see a rail. Let's see if there's any. Wow. Looking around. Thank you. Other side of the local market, there's this I love Aruba corner. Right at the back of the local market, there's another Filipino restaurant, small restaurant called Barrio Fiesta. So cute. I'm confused now which one. You want fried fish or what?
Yeah.
I'll go with dinuguan na lang. Sige, dinuguan. Tay, may halo-halo daw kayo. Halo-halo. Isang halo-halo for me. Tapos dinuguan. May kasamang rice yan or puto? Ah. Ang cute ng spot mo dito ba?
Street food.
So cute here.
Eating pancit.
Pansit daw sa kanya ate. Gusto ako halo-halo o Danish? Pinangkong. Oy. Do you like it here, Nick? It's so cute here, right? It feels like I'm just in the Philippines. Like Philippine vibe. Then look. Lodge 2 with rice.
Sarap.
Oh my god. Suleko. His pancit bihon. Sarap.
Yeah, sarap.
Lami.
Kaon na.
Sugat halo-halo. Gusto probirin.
Kaon na.
Oh, we are full. It was so good, guys. Barrio Fiesta, it's so good, and the prices are really like good. It's not really that expensive. We only paid $26 for everything. The tram, I don't know if you have to pay for it. So that's the tram going around Oranjestad.
Guys, wanna go? It's free.
Oh yeah, sure.
Hey, right here.
Well, so it's free.
I'm gonna make a look. Come back right here. Wait for you for me.
Okay. So as promised, he's back. Oh my god, this looks so cool.
Welcome, welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome.
It's so cool.
Yeah.
I'm feeling like I'm a queen here.
We reserve the whole trolley for you.
You like it? And cool, cooling off with this hot weather. It's the perfect way to roam around the town. This is just so cozy and relaxing, right? We already changed. Then we're gonna go to the beach. So the beach is just like few meters away. It's like walking distance. And then there's also a mini market here just in front of our hotel. So we're just gonna buy some drinks that we're gonna bring to the beach. So we're already here at Eagles Beach, and can you see the blue water already? Huh, Monik? It's sizzling hot, flaming hot right now. Here there's a huge place. You can really find a perfect spot for you. Eagles Beach is the biggest beach here in Aruba, and this is what I love about Curacao or Aruba, because everything, like the sightseeing, are just like very short distance. You don't have any stress waking up early in the morning just to go from one place to another, right, Hunik?
Yep.
Oh, look at the water, guys. So huge here. So blue, and the sand is so fine. Yeah, you happy? And to think, this is just few meters away from our hotel. I like it when we don't need to like fight or have stress to find a good spot to lay down. So here's shaded part. It's kinda like far, but it's okay. It's also flaming hot right now.
Oui.
No?
Ja.
I'll go to the water now, honey. Auch so blau, oder? Really, really blue, fine sand, no rocks at all. Walk a little bit here along the seashore. Really nice hotels here. There's enough place for everyone here, right? I have nothing else to say. It's so huge here. So clean, fine sand, no rocks at all, blue water.
Place to stay.
Perfect place to stay and being laid back, right? And the beach continues up there. I don't know, it's just so nice. Blue water, clean beach, fine white sand, huge area, less people. I don't think you can find that in Europe.
No.
Right? Not right now. It's high season though there. This looks so cool. Love this hotel. Looking so blue over there, Honig. Look. I think we've reached the Oranjestad already. Like on the other side. So nice. There are more palms here on this side.
Ruby.